थैंक यू। गॉट एक्ने, कहीं भी जाना होता है। अभी तक ठीक था, अभी तक सब ठीक था। So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Parmeet, and today I'm gonna show you what all I packed for the trip to Jaipur. So basically, today is 26th, and tomorrow it's 27th, and I'm going for a trip to Jaipur. And the best thing is that it's my first ever trip with my friends. Like, I've never been on trips with, with friends specifically. So it's my first ever trip, so I'm very, very excited. I hope everything goes well. So I'll show you what all I packed for the trip. So let's get into the video. Okay, and before going any further, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Bye guys. So I decided to take a bath first, and here I am with my packing. So these are my clothes I'll be taking with me. So here's my bag. One bag would be enough, I guess. So this is very spacious, as you can see. I'm just taking this bag and this also taking this bag, handbag, with me. And also I'm carrying this neck pillow for traveling, and some makhanas and almonds in this dabba. So in this bag I have all my footwears. I'm carrying one shoe, one belly, and one slipper. And these are all my clothes, night suit and clothes for swimming, and also kurtas, etc. So I'm gonna pack everything. This is, and also one thing. This is my makeup bag. Like, I'll show you guys. I'm carrying makeup in this bag. I'll just show you. My cousin got this for me from London Primark, and I really love it. Like, it can fit anything. सब कुछ ही इसमें आ जाता है मेरा, makeup and everything. So it's very spacious. I carry many things with this. So I have everything I require for makeup and everything. Also, I'm taking my lashes with me, but I'm not sure if I'll wear this or not. I was just planning for a shoot, so I just took it with me, but I'm not very sure if I'm gonna wear this or not. So I'll just close it. Also I have this pouch. This is for basically my makeup brushes and etc. Okay, and what else? Okay, I'm gonna add a bag of skincare as well, or I'll add somewhere here. Okay, and this is sunscreen from by Neutrogena. Also, I'm gonna carry this Perenne sunscreen for the face. This is for the body. And also this one is also from Perenne, but I don't use this one anymore. I use the renewed one, so I'll just use this one on my body, or maybe anywhere. And what else? Okay, so I have my dental kit as well. This contains one brush and one toothpaste, and I have my bangles. Okay, so I've got my jewelry. So this is the junk jewelry I'll be carrying with me. I just need to sort it out, but like I've sorted it out already. I'm carrying all of these. I just need to like keep it in place and everything. So these are the jhumkas I'm planning to wear, or maybe if I'll wear this, I won't wear anything on any ears. So this is, it's like a choker cum necklace type thing. So I really love this one. So I might wear this and not this, but I have few outfits, so I'll see with some small little earrings. I don't know. Let's see. Depends on the look. So I'm carrying all of them. So I'll just pack it up. Also, these are the two perfumes I'm carrying with me. These both are from Miniso, and fragrance is very nice. So this is my current favorite. So I'm gonna carry both of these. One will remain in my handbag, one I'll be keeping it in this bag. So let's see which one I put where. Also this one from Decathlon. This is their microfiber towel. I'm gonna carry this one. This is in a smaller size, so I'll be carrying it with me. So here are a few things that I'll be wearing in Jaipur. So I need to pack these clothes. So I am still unpacking my stuff. In that bag I have my ethnics, and in this one I have all my night suit and clothes for swimming. So this is done, and I've kept one like very light shawl because I feel very cold, and this is my makeup. I'm still on to packing. I'll just show you once I'm done with packing and everything. ये देख मीरा I'm vlogging.
पहली बार लेट हुआ है.
Are you guys excited for the trip?
इससे ज्यादा मैं बता नहीं सकता कितना एक्साइटेड हूं मैं.
So guys, this is our first trip together.
Yeah, first time I'm taking my car on a trip, so very excited.
Yeah.
With my friends.
Hi everyone. The fan is on. Voice might not be clear. अच्छा तो what happened is जो मैंने अपना vlog बनाया था packing and everything, मतलब जब मैंने जयपुर का vlog बनाना था तो I recorded the packing one पहले कि packing में मैंने क्या क्या करा क्या क्या था. I wanted to show you guys. तो अब हुआ कि actually जो vlog था वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा था, extend हो रहा था. तो मैंने कहा I didn't want you to guys get bored of it, so I decided to divide in two vlogs, two different vlogs. So अभी का sorry, I didn't want to show you my mess. So अभी का जो हमने देखा वो था हमारा पैकिंग व्लॉग, एंड सुबह मैं अपने फ्रेंड से मिली थी जो भी आपने देखा. सो नेक्स्ट व्लॉग विल बी ऑल अबाउट जयपुर. कहाँ गए, कहाँ घूमे, क्या हुआ, क्या ट्रेजिडीज़ हुई. यू विल गेट टू सी अ लॉट. Please stay tuned for that. The vlog will be uploaded till next week, or maybe this week I'll upload it. I need to edit a little bit, and because of office में साथ साथ नहीं कर पा रही इतना, क्योंकि ऑफिस का भी बहुत सारा काम था. So I'll just do it real quick very soon. Stay tuned, and you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.